Drowning in disorganized files? Your files scattered across folders with missing details? Watch how AI File Pro automatically enriches them with metadata. Client name, status, confidentiality level, making searches faster and audits cleaner. Watch AI File Pro automatically organize 50 files into SharePoint. It creates intelligent folder structures by document type and client, then populates metadata columns, case number, document type, date, instantly. Your team finds what they need in seconds. Watch AI File Pro instantly reorganize your files. Select any advanced prompt, departments, dates, projects, status, clients, or locations, and see your documents automatically categorize into custom folder structures in real time. Watch how AI File Pro transforms chaos into clarity. Hierarchical organization lets your team find specific documents like Anthony Harris's case files up to 50% faster. Start organizing your files with AI File Pro today.